Good afternoon. This is Universal News Media. Today is March 26, 2018. Today we will be viewing images from the unedited photos obtained yesterday from the Federal Aviation weather cams in Alaska. All videos are in time-lapse mode with each frame equal to 10 minutes. From the northwest-facing weather cam in Tok, Alaska, we see a brightly colored, fast-spinning striped planet that we have seen before. A red moon emerges from the atmospheric transparency and is visible for just a few frames. Some days these striped planets are easier to see than others, depending on the amount of chemtrailing and the weather. From the southwest-facing weather cam at the military base just outside Anchorage, we see that same gigantic space rock tumbling through the sky that was visible the night before. Only tonight it's a little easier to see. It appeared at nearly the same time, on March 24th, so it must be in orbit around the Earth. In order to maintain an orbit around Earth, an object must be at least 1,200 miles away. Any closer than that, and it will eventually fall into the Earth. Of course, we don't know how successfully this asteroid is maintaining its orbit. If we are seeing it from 1,200 miles away with the naked eye, it's got to be between 50 and 100 miles in diameter to be viewed this easily. The south-facing weather cam in Wainwright, Alaska, captured two planets within a few frames. The first one shows up and is nearly transparent from the atmospheric chemicals and difficult to see without some contrast. In the upper left corner, another planet becomes illuminated as the Earth rotates, causing the Sun to appear to move westward. The eclipsing planet goes in front of our real Sun, but behind the Sun simulator, which NASA patented and built a few years ago. This patent is on file. It is likely that the smaller planet is a moon orbiting the larger planet. As the planet eclipses the Sun, the airplane-shaped reflection of the concealment jet swings into view from the right side of the screen, maintaining perfect alignment with the center of the Sun simulator and the eclipsing planet for optimum concealment. Here's a close-up view of that eclipse. If you look closely, you can see some texture on the planet as it moves in front of the Sun, but behind the Sun simulator to reduce the appearance of a solar eclipse. Some of these planets are noticeably larger than they were months ago. And here's that same spinning red planet that we see from weather cams all over Alaska and Canada. Here it is shown from the southwest-facing weather cam in Tok, Alaska. I wanted to point out the concealment jet, which always flies near eclipsing planets, sending signals back to the Sun simulator. It has a pink cast to it, and the reflection it casts is also pink and shaped like an airplane, which is now visible in the bottom right corner of the screen. The jet always maintains perfect alignment with the eclipsing planet and the black center of the Sun simulator. This black center of the Sun simulator casts its own reflection upon water surfaces, proving that it is a real object and not a camera issue. This red planet, with numerous very deep craters, is viewed from the southwest-facing weather cam in Coldfoot, Alaska. Its large craters make it easy to see that it is rotating as it passes through the sky. In the fourth frame, it is plain to see that there are actually two planets in this picture. A very large one up in the left corner at the 5 o'clock position to the Sun, and the heavily cratered planet could be orbiting the large one. Both planets are rotating. The smaller one seems to be rotating faster. Some close-up pictures and some contrast enhancements help to see how fast this cratered planet is spinning as it travels through the sky. Here is a nice video of the red planet viewed from the southwest-facing weather cam in Estradome, Alaska. And here it is again from the west-facing camera in Nick, Alaska. Something larger is over on the very left side of the screen. This video of the red planet shows excellent detail, but only for a few frames. These are coming from the south-facing weathercam in Seward, Alaska. The northwest-facing camera in Kenai shows two objects that have been blurred. These objects are part of an approaching celestial system. Many people ask when this system will be making its closest pass to our Earth. A general indication of time is provided in the following screens of text. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe.